This is the Conrail West Arlington Railroad swing bridge. It's fixed in position. It used to swing for boats and ships, and now it's fixed in position, but it's still used for rail traffic. It crosses the second river, or Passaneck River, between Kearney and Arlington, New Jersey. See, look at this. This is a rim-bearing type of swing bridge, and look at the Masbury swing pier right there, right? And look at the trains is going past this this swing span. It's a plate girder type of swing bridge. And so, and New Jersey has plenty of movable bridges. So let's look at the details right there. Yeah, so this bridge is located in between Kearney and Arlington, New Jersey.